Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here. Today, I'm going to show you a great way to get your students involved in your morning phonics or afternoon phonics lesson. And it's tried and true. I use it every single month. It's so much fun and the kids absolutely love it. Every kiddo I know loves having an individual pointer. So I went to the resource library in Funnydaffer. I printed out the Matching in March pack and I printed and laminated it and cut out the individual theme related matching pieces. I hot glued them to a popsicle stick and then I just printed a realistic alphabet for every one of my students and laminated it for durability. We're going to use our own pointers and we're going to go along. We're going to sing the alphabet, we're going to sing the alphabet songs, and then we're going to sing the phonics song. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students are going to love going letter by letter throughout the phonics lesson when they have their own individual pointer. You can also let them decorate the popsicle stick, write their name so it doesn't get lost. Now let's sing the sounds. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, while we're singing the sounds, we really want to make sure that we are exaggerating the way our mouth is shaped when we make those sounds. So when we say ah, we're going to say ah. When we say b, we're going to say b, b, b. And we want to make sure we don't add that So we're not saying buh, we're saying b. We're not saying duh, we're saying d. Because if we add that extra syllable to the end, that will be confusing for students when they start to blend letter sounds later on. I hope you enjoyed this helpful tip.